Hello dear students, so we were discussing the chapter Burmese invasion of Assam. We had finished the chapter and today we will be discussing the question answers from the exercise. So let's discuss the question answers from the exercise. So there are so many questions, short questions, long questions. At first, we will be discussing the short answer questions. Okay, you see the answers and try to note down the answers. So, at first, short answer questions. Number 1, which country was owned by the Burmese in 1784 during the regime of the Burmese king Badopaya? The answer is Arakan. Number 2, from when did the enmity between the Burmese and the British begin? The answer is from 5th March 1824 AD. Number 3 is name the king of Kachar who fled to Srihatta unable to tolerate the Burmese oppression. The answer is Govinda Chandra. Number 4, Purnananda Buragohai died after hearing the news of the defeat of the Ahoms in which battle? The answer is in the Battle of Ghiladhari. Next, number 5, what is Vaishali Hukong? The answer is Vaishali Hukong is a note. Vaishali Hukong is a note on the Burmese military operations in Assam. Number 6 is what is Vaishali Mungdun Sun Kham? Vaishali Mungdun Sun Kham is a note on the Burmese military operations in Assam. So the answer is same. Number 7, who was the Prime Minister of Assam when the Burmese army came with Badan Chandra? The answer is Purnananda Buragohai. Number 8, what was the strength of the Burmese army which came to Assam with Badan Chandra? The answer is 8,000. Come to the next question. Number 9. How many additional soldiers did Badan Chandra collect on his arrival in Assam? The answer is 8,000. Number 10. What was the title given by Chandrakanta Singha to Badan Chandra on his appointment as the Prime Minister? The answer is Mantri Barphukan. Number 11. Mention the years which the Burmese invasion took place. The answer is 1817, 1819 and in 1821. So the years of the Burmese invasion. As we all know that Burmese invaded Assam for 3 times. It is 1817, 1819 and 1821. Number 12. When was Badan Chandra killed or assassinated? The answer is in 1818 AD. Come to the next question. Here we have found long answer questions. So I have given you the answers of some questions and I have given hints of some questions. So the answers which are not clearly mentioned in the chapter I have given you. So the first is write in brief about the expansion of the Burmese Empire in Manipur and Arakan. So the answer is here I have written. Since the days of the Burmese king Alongpaya, efforts have been made for the extension of the frontier. He adopted the policy of westward expansion of the country and occupied, there is two end, and occupied Arakan, followed by repeated attacks on Manipur. The capture of Arakan in 1784 AD led to the political supremacy of the Burmese in the entire Bay of Bengal region from Margui Island to Chattagram part. Number 2 is discuss how the despotism of Purnananda Buragohai gave birth to political conspiracies. The answer is the arrogant nature of Purnananda Buragohai was disliked by his countrymen. After the death of Gaurinath Singha, Purnananda cleverly appointed a minor, Kamaleshwar Singha, on the Ahom throne. After the death of Kamaleshwar Singha, Purnananda again installed Chandrakanta Singha on the Ahom throne. His such kind of activities gave birth to political conspiracies. Number 3 is what was the ultimate result of political conspiracies hatched against Purnananda Buragohai? Answer is as a result of the conspiracies hatched against Purnananda Buragohai during the reign of Kamaleshwar Singha, a good number of individuals as well as officials organized a rebellion against the Buragohai. It was led by a Panimua and called as Panimua Rebellion. Number 4 is why did the Burmese invade Assam under the leadership of Badan Chandra Barphukan? Give reasons. The Burmese invaded Assam under Badan Chandra because the Burmese king was seeking an advantage to expand his territory. The another reason is Rongili Aideo, who was the Assamese queen of the Burmese king, also an aunt of Badan Chandra. Number 5 is discuss in brief the Burmese interference in Assam under the leadership of Badan Chandra Barphukan. The answer is the Burmese invaded Assam in 1817 for the first time under the leadership of Badan Chandra Barphukan. A battle was fought at Ghiladhari and the Ahom soldiers were defeated. The news saddened Purnananda Buragohai and he died. After that, the Burmese occupied Jorhat and Badan Chandra Badan proclaimed himself as a Barphukan and he got a new designation as Mantri Barphukan. Number 6 is discuss the causes of Burmese invasion in Assam. So the answer will be found page number 67 and 68. Okay. You will found here causes of the Burmese invasion. 4.2.1 number 1 causes importance of Purnananda Buragohai. 4.2.2 conflict between Badan Chandra Barphukan and Purnananda Buragohai. Number 3 is Burmese interference. I have given the points and you elaborate it. Okay. Number 7. What were the results of the Burmese invasion of Assam? So you have to see page number 74, point number 4.6. So here you can see results of the Burmese invasion of Assam. Nicely given, you can write from here. Number 8. Which rebellion is known as Panimua Rebellion? It is given before. It is in the page number 67. You have to write this. During the reign of Kamaleshwar Singha, a good number of individuals as well as officials organized the rebellion against the Buragohai. It was led by one Panimua and hence the revolt was also known as Panimua Rebellion. You can write it from the book. Number 9 is mention 2 results of military intervention of the Burmese in Assam 1817. Answer is number 1 point. Chandrakanta Singha became the king of Ahom. Number 2 is Badan Chandra got a new designation as Mantri Barphukan. When did the first Anglo-Burmese war take place? Where was the war fought? The first Anglo-Burmese war was fought on 5th March 1824 AD. A force advanced up the Brahmaputra from Goalpara to Guwahati. Second force advanced by the way of Chattogram and the Srihatta frontier through Arakan towards Manipur and Jaintia country. The third force advanced by way of the Irrawaddy river to Rangoon. Number 11 question is, mention the main provisions of the Yandabu Treaty. So it is nicely written in your book, page number 78, point number 4.9. Okay, 78 page number. It is Treaty of Yandabu. These are the provisions. These are the main provisions of the treaty. You have to write it. The last question is number 12. Write about the importance of Treaty of Yandabu. Answer is number 1. This treaty ended Manardin in Assam, and number 2 is the East India began to expand their empire in Assam. Okay, so these are the question answers from your chapter Burmese Invasion of Assam. So it is the time to leave you. Thank you.